Welcome back to Seize the Adventure. I'm going to start off this video by saying thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. When I started this channel, I was amazed to even get 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for helping me reach my goal, double my goal actually. I started off this last year with a goal of 1,000 and we've reached 2,000 on New Year's Day, and I really appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed and been along with my journey so far. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because 2023 is going to be a huge year for Seize the Adventure. So with that all being said, I wanted to jump into the first announcement that I have, and that is regarding the Seize the Adventure merchandise. As you can see, we've got some super high quality embroidered merchandise, and I'd love to bring it to my subscribers first. The embroidered logo that's on all the products looks amazing. I love my new design, and the hoodie is definitely my favorite product that I've ever put on my body. Super comfortable, the perfect weight, you have to get one. Here we have the beanie, super nice, keep your head warm this winter, as well as the t-shirt for when the warmer months come around. So if you're interested in checking out any of that merchandise, go ahead and check out the Instagram on the screen. Shoot me a DM and I will have that sent out to you as fast as we can. So now that we talked about the merch, I'd like to tell you a little bit of background about Seize the Adventure, where we came from, and where we'd like to be. Seize the Adventure started in Fort Collins, Colorado. I went to Colorado State University to study fish and wildlife conservation biology and get my bachelor's of science there. Moving to the Rocky Mountains provided me with a new experience and perspective of the outdoors. At Colorado State University, I had a great roommate and a good high school friend of mine that when we first moved there, we were pretty intimidated by going on these large 8-mile hikes at altitude in the mountains, being a couple of Chicago boys. I would always kind of say this little mantra that we needed to seize the day. And if you're familiar with seize the day, that's carpe diem. I began going on a lot of hikes and doing some backcountry camping. I got into mountain biking and I really started to appreciate the outdoors in ways that I never thought were possible. So then this is where I got the idea of Seize the Adventure, a lifestyle brand. That is why the new logo says Seize the Adventure, bring the outdoors in. This has a couple of different meanings. One being embrace the outdoors. Two being bringing the outdoors to the comfort of your tiny cabin on wheels. I have huge hopes for Seize the Adventure, and I hope that one day we could give back by either donating to large nonprofits that help conservation, support recreation in some type of way. I would love for Seize the Adventure to be something that helps generate revenue for something that's even bigger. So help me achieve this goal. Pick up some merch. Check out the Instagram to pick out that merch. Keep watching these videos. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. Let's do a short little van build update. So this is my 1997 Dodge Ram B2500 camper van build. It's been on and off, and I've been honestly horrible about filming this process. If you didn't see it already, I got engaged this past month.
Look at that powder.
We're up at the North Pole. Will you marry me? And we've kind of just been celebrating, spending time with family for the holidays. I live in Oregon where it rains a lot and this big thing does not fit in my garage. So it's just been a challenge overall. And I've just been kind of knocking out all of this beautiful furniture, painting, getting the cedar all hung up, nice and straight, no gaps. And yeah, I've just been super busy, so I hope you understand. But with this next year, I plan on being much more consistent and getting the content to you guys. With this camper van build, I am not filming every single thing that I'm doing because I want to finish it up so I could get out there, start living in this thing, and explore. We have cedar planks that we're going to cover the entire van with. It's going to look so great with all these window spaces. We got butcher block countertops, this beautiful black sink that's extendable. We'll be able to put this out of the window and use it as an outdoor shower. Gonna have a couple of water tanks under here for storage. Under here we have all of our electrical, including our 200 amp hour battery. Yeah, it's a relatively simple build overall, but it's going to look amazing. We're gonna have a queen size mattress in here. Can you believe that? So thank you again for watching this video if you've made it to the end. This is a quick and informal video on just providing you with some information, giving the announcement of the new merchandise, and thanking you again for 2,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for more content. Check out the Instagram and let me know if you want any merchandise. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.